In this video, you will know about 10 amazing facts about Earth. There were not always several continents. About 250 million years ago, the continents came together once, formed another supercontinent called Pangaea, surrounded by a single worldwide ocean. 50 million years later, Pangaea began to break apart. It split into two large land masses that ultimately fragmented into the continents we know today. The driest place on the earth. Ironically, the driest place in the world, the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, is next to the biggest body of water, the Pacific Ocean. Average rainfall in Arica, Chile is just 0.8 millimeters. It is believed that Atacama's Calima city saw no rain for 400 years until a sudden storm fell in 1972. Earth's gravity is not uniform. If Earth were a perfect sphere, its gravitational field would be the same everywhere. But in reality, the planet's surface is bumpy and the water flow, ice drift, and the movement of the tectonic plates beneath Earth's crust all change the pull of gravity. These variations are known as gravity anomalies. Earth used to look very different. Over the 4.6 million years Earth has been around, it has not always looked the way it does now. At its beginning, Earth was extremely hot and full of molten magma. Over the course of a few hundred million years, the planet began to cool and oceans of liquid water formed. Our moonquakes. Earth's moons looked rather dead and inactive. But in fact, moonquakes or earthquakes on the moon keep things just a bit shaken up. Quakes on the moon are less common and less intense than those that shake Earth. The total seismic energy released by the moon is about 80 times less than that released by the Earth. The Mariana Trench is the deepest spot. The deepest point on the ocean floor is 36,200 feet below sea level in the Mariana Trench. The lowest point on Earth not covered by ocean is 8,382 feet meters below sea level, but good luck walking there. That spot is the Bentley subglacial trench in Antarctica, buried under the lots of ice. Lakes can explode. In Cameroon and on the border of Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, there are three deadly lakes, Nyos, Monon, and Kivu. All three are crater lakes that sit above the volcanic earth. Magma below the surface releases carbon dioxide into the lakes, resulting in a deep carbon dioxide-rich layer right above the lake bed. That carbon dioxide can be released in an explosion. The planet is filled with riches, and these vast seas are rich, holding more than 20 million tons of gold. But don't grab your mining hat just yet. The metal is so dilute that each liter of seawater contains, on average, about 13 billionths of a gram of gold. Undissolved gold is also tucked away in rocks on the seafloor, and though there is no efficient way of getting at that precious metal, if we could extract all of it, each person on Earth could have 9 pounds of the shiny stuff. There are other Earth-like planets. There are almost surely more planets like ours. Space scientists have found evidence of Earth-like planets orbiting distant stars, including an alien planet called Kepler-22b, circling in the habitable zone of a star much like ours. Whether any of these planets will harbor life is an open question. The days of Earth are getting longer. The length of Earth's day is increasing. When Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago, its day would have been roughly 6 hours long. By 620 million years ago, this had increased to 21.9 hours. Today, the average day is 24 hours long, but is increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. The reason behind is the moon is slowing down Earth's rotation through the tides that it helps create. Earth's spin causes the position of its tidal ocean bulges to be pulled slightly ahead of the moon. Earth's axis, which creates a twisting force that slows down Earth's rotation. As a result, our day is getting longer, but not long enough to make a difference to your busy schedule.